Hello students, welcome back again. So in the first video we have learned what do you mean by computer programming, or what is computer program, what do you mean by programmer, what do you mean by coding, different applications of computer programming. So all these have been discussed in the previous video. So before going to start the computer programming, I want to discuss about the syllabus for first year, that is class 11 computer science. So first we will see the syllabus. So you can see here the syllabus. So this is the computer science syllabus for class 11 theory part. So your theory part have total 70 marks. Theory paper contains all total of 70 marks, and whole paper is divided into 4 units. First unit is computer fundamentals. So in this topic, all the fundamentals topics of computer will be covered. So marks allotted for this first unit is 10, and the second unit is programming methodology. So different kind of programming methodologies like algorithm, flowcharts, different types of errors involved in case of programming. All these kind of things will be covered in programming methodology. So this unit contains 12 marks. Next topic is introduction to C++ programming. So this part have 14 marks, and then programming in C++. So marks allotted for this fourth topic, that is programming in C++, is 34. This unit has highest marks allocation. So it contains 34 marks, all total 70 marks for theory paper. Okay, so mainly I will take these two parts, introduction to C++ and programming in C++. Our another sir, that is Kirot Sharma sir, will take the classes on computer fundamentals, and Shubhamoy Dey sir will take this unit, that is programming methodology. Okay, so you can see here the first unit is programming fundamentals. Here you can get all the fundamentals concepts of computer, that is evolution of computer, software concept, system software concept, utility software, application software, open source software concepts, etc. Then number system, internal storage, encoding of characters, microprocessor, memory concept, primary memory, secondary memory, input output devices, all will be in the computer fundamental unit. Then in the next unit it is programming methodology. So the general concepts of programming methodology like modular approach, then different types of errors, running, debugging, program documentation, maintenance, etc. will be covered in these chapters. Similarly, problem solving methodologies, flowchart algorithms are also covered in this unit 2. Then unit 3 is your programming part, that is introduction to C++. So I will take classes or video tutorials from the next video from this part, that is introduction to C++. So in this part all the introductory concepts of C++ like C++ characteristics sets, token, then data types, variables, constants, etc. are covered in this part. And the unit 4 is based on programming part, programming in C++. It covers the flow of control, conditional statement, inbuilt functions, then user defined functions, structure data type, the array, one dimensional, two dimensional array, then different types of processor, preprocessor directive, macro, etc. will be covered in the last unit. Okay, so this is all about your syllabus. Your theory paper will contain 70 marks and practical paper will contain 30 marks. So marks allotted for theory paper is 70 and marks allotted for this practical paper is 30. Okay, so that's all about your syllabus. Thank you.